Hello beautiful buds, welcome back to my channel. So please bear with me as I figure out the lighting situation in this new apartment because it's not sunny in Seattle like it is in California, so I have to kind of supplement. So I have 3 different lights going right now, but I'm so excited to be filming in my new setup. I mean, it's the same setup, just in a different place. You guys probably won't even notice a difference, but I'm just glad to have it set up and have some place to film videos for you guys. So today's video is a request from my subscriber Alex Medina. So Alex, thank you so much for the request. She asked us to do an unboxing and testing of Datebox. So if you haven't heard of Datebox before, it's exactly what it sounds like. It is a date night subscription box. One of these runs you $40 a month if you get the physical option, but there's also an option where you can do a digital date, and that's only $8 a month. But I went for the physical one, so I would have something to unbox for you guys. So I'm gonna open this, figure out what our date is, and then Matt and I are actually gonna film as we do our date night tonight. So I'm really excited about it. Okay, so this says date prep. Gather up as many props as you want to create a vacation scene for a chance to win your dream trip. Ooh. That's cool. What's included? Gingerbread couple. Oh, we're making gingerbread people. Looks like there are a couple games and some cards. It says Christmas cards and envelopes. So maybe we're making Christmas cards too. Wow, that's a lot of stuff. So this is the guide for the date. So it says, welcome to your Christmas date. So cute. I love that they do a seasonal version in December because you guys know I love a good seasonal activity. Oh, how cute. Okay, so this includes a playlist that you can listen to on Spotify, 4 different conversation starters to encourage meaningful conversation. That's really cool too. And we're making gingerbread people, and I guess you are supposed to make them and set them up like they're on vacation, and then you take a picture of them, and then if you win, you get to go on that vacation for free. That's insane. And also gingerbread people are just so cute. Okay, so there are also games. This one says cookie slide. Place a cookie on each of your foreheads and start a timer. Without touching the cookie in your hand, slide it down your face and into your mouth. This is the only way it counts. If the cookie falls, pick it up and start over. The person with the fastest time wins. That is going to be hilarious. And then there's also a game called Up on the Rooftop, and it seems like there's cards. I'll see. And then lastly, they give you 4 Christmas cards, so you write 1 for your significant other and 1 for another loved one, so there are 4 total. This looks like it's going to be such a cool date night. I love the variety of activities. There's so much stuff to do, and for $40, that's the price of going out to dinner, and we're getting to do conversation starters, 2 different games, the gingerbread couple, and the Christmas cards. It's 5 different activities. I'm definitely thinking that this is a good value for the money so far, but we'll see. Okay, so here are the little cards. This one says, if kisses were snowflakes, I'd send you a blizzard. That's so cute. It comes in a cute little Christmas tin that I can definitely reuse for something. Okay, I'm obsessed with this. I'm already loving this box. This is one of the subscription boxes that I reviewed that I think I'll definitely be keeping the subscription to. So here's all of our stuff for our gingerbread people. So we have 2 actual gingerbread figures, and then candy and icing and Twizzlers and all that good stuff. This is so cute. And then this says reindeer games on it. It's a cute little bag. Again, you could probably reuse this for something. So we have a pack of Oreos. This is the card game that I was talking about earlier, so I'll have to read the instructions tonight when we go to play this. And there's a little notebook and pen to keep track of scores, and I think the game might involve drawing, so that might be it too. But look how cute. It says Up on the Rooftop. Everything is all Christmas themed and super cute. Okay, I am ridiculously excited about this and to do all of the things. So I will do them tonight and then let you guys know what we think. Okay, so we've got a couple of things here. So this is the gingerbread cookie decorating kit. So we've got a gingerbread couple.
Do we get to eat them?
Yeah. Then we also have Christmas cards to write to each other. And then this is all of the games. There's one where you have to put an Oreo on your forehead and try to get it in your mouth without using your
There's so many cookies in this pack.
And then we have conversation starters and a playlist. So there's lots to do.
Playlist. Should I play the playlist?
Yeah. Conversation starters. What is your fondest childhood memory of the holidays?
Fondest? What is it? Fondest childhood
Memory of the holidays.
Getting a Nintendo 64 for Christmas was pretty epic. That was the first earliest memory I have of crying tears of happiness?
Oh my gosh.
Yes, that happened. First we opened the game. And we were so sad because like,
oh, I can't play this.
Yeah, I was like, oh, I can't play this. And then we opened an extra controller. And it was like even worse because it was like, oh, grandma and grandpa didn't know. This is my dad's parents. Like they didn't know, they got us the wrong thing. And then we opened the console itself. And I remember leaping into my grandfather's arms. Just crying. What are your favorite holiday traditions?
I really like going out in the car and bringing hot chocolate and looking at lights.
Yes.
It's one of my favorite things. I really want to start a tradition where I make like orange garland.
Orange?
Like I dry
garland.
oranges.
What?
So I ordered some from Imperfect Produce. So I'm gonna try to like make that a holiday tradition for us from now on. You're going so fast.
Well, I'm not braiding a freaking licorice.
What's one gift you really, really hoped for or asked for but never received and you still wish you could have it?
That would definitely be like those giant Star Wars Lego sets. Like the Millennium Falcon or whatever, that's like 1,000 pieces and like $70 or something like that. Or like the mega Hot Wheels, like loop-de-loop course and all that stuff. Those were like some things that were on my list every year that I never got.
Do you still wish you could have it?
I think the Lego Millennium Falcon would be really cool. I don't know where I'd put it once I built it though.
I've thought about getting that for you in the past for like holidays and stuff.
That would be a win.
If you had to listen to just one Christmas song for the entire month of December, which song would you choose? It's a good question.
Dominic the Donkey.
No! Anything but Dominic the Donkey. What about your Christmas song? What Christmas song?
I told you. Dominic the Donkey.
Wait, for real?
I don't know.
That would be your, if you could only listen to one Christmas song, you would listen to Dominic the Donkey?
Probably because it would drive me insane and then I wouldn't realize I was listening to the same song.
Please don't make me divorce you with that answer. Comment down below if you support me divorcing Matt if his favorite Christmas song is Dominic the Donkey.
It's not favorite Christmas song, it's if you had to listen to just one Christmas
Okay, but that's the implication.
No, it's not if that was the implication. They would say, what's your favorite Christmas song?
I would listen to the Trans-Siberian Orchestra's...
Dun, 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 dun.
That's my favorite. That's my favorite one.
That's really good, actually. Probably any Christmas song by the Carpenters.
That's a good one. So these are our gingerbread men. That one's Matt's.
I'm gonna eat it.
This one's mine.
Oh, you gave it a little dress.
Yeah.
Cute. Ready?
How is it? I guess we can't enter the photo contest now. You ready to play the games? I'm excited for the games. Stick you guys right here because I think this is gonna be kind of amusing. Place a cookie on each of your foreheads and start a timer.
I only have one forehead.
I don't know how you're not a dad yet. You make so many dad jokes.
Do girls have two foreheads?
Place a cookie on each of your foreheads and start a timer. Without touching the cookie with your hands, slide it down your face and into your mouth. This is the only way it counts. If the cookie falls, pick it up and start over. The person with the fastest time wins.
There's so much eating involved in this activity, 10 out of 10. So it has to go on your forehead?
Yeah, so you're supposed to do this and then try to get it in your mouth.
Oh man, it's gonna be crumbs everywhere.
Oh, I got it on my cheek. Oh, I had it on my tongue.
There's cookie all over your forehead.
It's fine, I'm gonna win. It's in my eyes.
There you go. Yay! But really, cookie dust everywhere.
I got crumbs in my eyeball. Okay, next game is called Up on the Rooftop. Divide the cards into easy, medium, and hard piles. Easy cards are worth 1 point, medium cards are worth 2 points, and hard cards are worth 3 points. Pick a card from any pile and secretly read the other side. Place the notepad on top of your head and have your partner start a timer for 30 seconds. Draw the prompt on top of your head without either of you looking.
Oh, dude.
Once you're finished or when time is up, show the drawing to your partner. Your partner has 2 chances to guess what it is. Take turns playing like this. The first person to reach 10 points wins. Go! 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2,
I have no idea
1.
what else to draw.
Done.
Oh, that's really good actually. Okay, I'm gonna show them.
Is it Mrs. Claus?
Yes! Look how good that is.
On top of your head.
It's just like writing.
That's like, you're better than your normal handwriting. Is this, were you starting another person, or were you trying to tell me that she's female?
Yes.
Female?
Yeah, that's the female sign.
I have to pick a hard one now too, or I'm gonna fall behind in points.
Yeah, can't have that now, can you?
Ah, tell me when to start.
3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, I think I'm done.
You're done already?
Yeah.
You still have 15 seconds.
It's not that bad. There are letters there.
There are, oh, those are letters?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
2 of them are.
Oh, North Pole.
Yeah!
Oh.
So this was supposed to be an arrow, and it was supposed to be north, south, and this is a
See,
world.
I thought that was a W. I thought it went like that. So it's W and S.
You got it though.
Alright, 3 points for you.
3, 2, 1, go! To slice?
Yes! Oh my god!
You did really good. What the heck, guys? That is a lot better than I thought it would be.
The nativity.
Yeah, I didn't know how I was gonna draw nativity.
My first guess was gingerbread house, but then I saw the baby and the donkey.
That was my very last minute. I wasn't even going for donkey, I was just going for like any animal. Okay, so our last part of our date is to write Christmas letters to each other and then to a loved one. So the ones we write to each other. The ones that we write to each other say, if kisses were snowflakes, I'd send you a blizzard. And then the ones for other people say merry and bright. They're very cute. Alright guys, so that is the end of our date. What did you think?
It was fun.
That was really fun.
And I ate way too much sugar.
I love that there was such a variety of activities that made it really fun. I can't wait to see what they do when there are like the dates that are like out like in your city, because they said Seattle is coming soon. So we'll go like out on the town. We're definitely gonna stay subscribed. I think this was a really fun date night, and like 40 bucks is what we'd spend at a restaurant on dinner. So like
the $40 meal.
You wanna do it with me again?
Sure.
You going on a date with me again?
Okay.
Love you.
When you get married, you don't stop dating.
Nope, never ever. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and thank you again for the request. I hope that you guys are having an awesome holiday season and that you're having a great day wherever you are. I will see you all with my next video. Bye!
Merry Christmas!